Hiya folks, AJ the Bartender here, and I just wanted to say to my current subscribers, thank you for subscribing and following me this far. It's been a lot of work building the bar and also getting these videos out every week, but it's been well worth it, and I've loved the feedback and the comments and the reactions you've had to all the hilarious videos. I try to do something a little different on my channel as opposed to other bartending channels, which is explore and recreate history of drinks. I like how ominous the history of these drinks are, because nothing really is for certain and a lot of it is rumor and speculation, but one thing's for sure, it's always a surprise to me. It's always a fun surprise to really explore the history of these drinks and kind of recreate the scene and find out how interesting, how ridiculous the backstory of a lot of these drinks are. Anyway, I wanted to say thank you for subscribing and for following me, and thank you for your feedback and your comments. Thank you for exploring the drink history with me on this channel. I really appreciate it. It's a fun ride, and I'm looking forward to making more. You know, this week I was gonna do something kind of, you know, St. Patrick's Day themed out. I was gonna go all out, you know, put on a funny costume and, you know, say something like, "Top of the morning to you, AJ the Bartender here, at your service. Oh, shishay, shishay, shishay. Have a drink, why don't you? We're serving me favorite Irish coffee to keep you nice and warm on the town. Don't you know this St. Patrick's Day is going to be a right stargazer now, ain't ya? Oh, oh, happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope to have you be a lucky one. But I'm not going to do that to you this week. This week, I'm just going to talk to you straight, and we don't need any fancy costumes or recreations, just mano a mano. So, the Irish coffee. Funny enough, Ireland is not where this coffee drink was invented. Coffee cocktails originally started in the mid-19th century in Vienna. They would call them Viennese cafes, or Viennese coffee cocktails is how this drink originally got started. Now, the ingredients have changed over the years. Eventually, Irish whiskey, being that Irish whiskey is so smooth, is what people were using to put in the coffee. Since it's an Irish whiskey, coffee, it was eventually named the Irish coffee. So the recipe is very simple. Just find a nice coffee glass or a cocktail glass. Add an ounce of Irish whiskey. We'll be using Bushmills triple distilled whiskey for this drink. And then we're just going to add a ½ ounce of Kahlua, coffee liqueur, so it'll pair nice with coffee. Then we're gonna pour in our French press, freshly made. I used a local brew for this one. It's a local breakfast blend. I'm a breakfast blend kind of guy. You can use whatever kind of coffee you like. And I filled with that coffee and I topped it with whipped cream. And that is how you make and enjoy an Irish coffee. Oh, that's strong. Whew, that'll keep you going. So to all my current subscribers and to those who have stuck with me thus far, I say, happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Oh, top of the morning to you.